This is the video. Prizm FOTL. Pick your color. 18. Kent gets one. He's confirming one. Everyone send that got in. If you didn't get in, do not send. Stop, dirty dude.
Hi, dirty.
1-in-1's replacing this, guys. 1-in-1's replacing this. All right, guess the first shimmer for 20. Auto or non-auto shimmer? Morales is AM Hoop. There's Morales. Ricky Grove, 84. Someone take Caitlin. So we can just say it's next. Someone take Caitlin so we can say it's next. Predator, would you take some Blez Bucks for it? Also, like cash and Blez Bucks? Take advantage of me being in a buying mood, guys. Take advantage of me. I'm buying right now.
He's a buyer. I suppose buy strong. Pay strong. Pay strong?
Yes. Let's see. $3K cash, $2K BB. Let me see. The thing is, it's numbered to 10 though. That's the thing.
That's so sick.
It's sick, but it's numbered to 10. Is it worth 5K? Could be. That's the only thing. Oh, that's what. Let me see. I'm not saying it's not worth that. This is a tough one. Wait, both Danny, you sent for this?
Yeah, I think he commented to give points, I believe.
All right, C. James good. T.H. Park's good. Rookie's good. Kent's good. Coyote's good. AM Hoop's good. Ryo's good. Guru's good. Shank's good. 007's good. Since release day. What do you mean release day? Razu's good. Leaf's good. Blur's good. Looks like we're good. Team draw. The thing is, it's numbered at 10 though, Fountain. That's the thing. 5. If it's something from Topps release, if you can email Boat 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's the Gem Mint 10. They're asking a lot for that. It's just it's numbered to 10. Email shipping at theblez.com. Here are your teams. Karam, is this worth? You think this is worth 5K? Team slogan LeBron. Karame, you think it's worth roughly 5K? Forgot to put the Blez sticker. It's just throwing me off because it's numbered to 10. He's saying no. 3K. We have a Prismatrix. 3K. It's just that it's numbered to 10. I'll do 3K plus 700 Blez bucks. That's the best I'll do. I'll do 3K plus 700 Blez bucks. If you want to sell it. You don't have to worry about the fees and anything. That's the best I can do. If not, we'll send it off. Clay, Red Power. There's a cool piece. Dwayne Wade, Blue Auto. On the Prismatrix. Nice hit, Ray Lou. Yeah, so it doesn't matter either way. I'll do 3K plus 700. Whatever you want to do. Karam's pretty sharp with the pricing. Red of Bagley. Thank you, Predator. I'll add it after this break. Buddy White. Just DM me. I'm sending it from my personal account, so DM me your PayPal. Like, I'll send it when I get to like my computer. The guess is Michael Porter Jr. Green Shimmer. Root Tops. I'll send it late tonight or tomorrow. It's personal. Julian. Blue. And if you could just send the email, if like you said to send it to DC, if you want to just Trey Alexander base auto for the Nuggets. DH Park, just send the email saying that Esplez bought it so she doesn't panic when she can't find the card. Bub. Silver. B-ball of Tyus Jones. Inception nameplate of who? Ooh. Wait, ooh. Blue Shimmer auto of Dalton Connect. That was like, is that a bonus auto? It is. Wade and Connect in the same box. Blue Jay Husker, that's sick. We're in the first box still. It's a bonus auto. Nice. 25 of 25.
Wow.
Blue Ice of Bane.
That's awesome.
I was confused. And there's something about these IG loose guys. There's a nice red true red of Ron Holland. Wemby on the Hyper. That's box one. Nice start. Silver Nemhart. B-ball, Laurie. And then Dylan Jones, base auto for the Thunder. Guru. Guru gets it. Dalton. Guess the silvers in this box are backwards. They're trying to fake us out. Khalil. Nice. B-ball of Klingon. Very nice. And guys, we have a player break of Hobby. We slashed it. Precious. And then we slashed it. Maybe we'll eventually have Dr. J Blue Ice. Some more FOTL, but for now, we don't have. We just had 3 boxes in the building. Taylor Hendricks, Blue Shimmer, Veteran Blue Shimmer, Non. Direction. Bradley Beal, Purple Ice. And we have Kashad on the blue auto. Ray Lou. Deca. There's a case of Deca coming. Talking about Deca Hobby. It's because there's not that much out there. Ja Silver. There's a nice true orange rookie of Antonio Reeves. Rookie color. See a rookie shimmer. Nice. There's a nice veteran blue shimmer. Jason Tatum for direction. Nice. There's a SAR true silver. Red Power, Jeremy Grant. Last box. For the break. Wells. Ruby, Jared McCain. Ruby Wave. Oso Silver. Richase Talisman Silver. Orange of Keegan. And we have a base auto of McCullough for the Knicks. CH Park. Toss. Giddy Silver. Bulls are getting killed. Is that what they're saying? Skewed of PJ Washington. Red Power of Dick. So I'll need hopefully 2 shimmers in this box. Naz Reed Blue Shimmer. Come on, let's see a gold shimmer or a black shimmer.
Thank you, Dynasty.
Red of Nick Smith. Bad edges on this Khalil Ware. Silver. Pulsar of Newton. Trace Jackson blue. It's a blue auto algorithm. Like it is.
It is.
Bad edges on that one, but it's a Jared Allen. White. Harrison Ingram. Wrong white. Spur. Jalen Williams. Blue shimmer. True blue of Maxi. Oh, gold or black shimmer. And a B-ball of Porter Jr. Hyper of Deron Holmes. Need to sort your blue shimmer since you have 4 veterans. Nice Wade. Beat the shimmer to Dalton.